Jonathan back again. Super excited. Finally got my package from Texas, baby. That's right. Texas. Peach vibe. Rocking the peach vibe. So, this is coming from Greg Gray, double G. Greg Gray from Texas. Met him while I was out there. Very cool guy. Does a lot of collectibles. Oh man, I need to do a video on the books I got while I was in Texas and while I was in Tennessee. A lot of great shops out there, a lot of private vendors, and really good deals. So I was able to pick up Secret Wars. What else was that? I was able to pick up quite a few. First appearance of Nathan. Ooh. All right. Again, I really enjoy these packaging. So far in my experience, it keeps everything good. I know when I mail them out, if I'm able to, I'll send them in these. So let's go ahead and open her on up. And let's see what we have here. I'd like to put them all in order. All right, you know what? We'll just start with Classic X-Men number 66. Look at that cover. Death at the Edge of the Universe. Very cool. Issue number 25 in the Power of Magnum. As I said before, and I'll say it again, big fan of Classic X-Men number 23. Actually, issue number 100. Issue 100. Right. Issue number 23. Very cool. Issue number 20. Like the cover. Got a very good classic feel. Hey, what is she doing down there? Closer. Issue number 19. Magneto. Dun dun dun. Very cool. This is a really, wait, that was 19. There's number 18. Magneto again. Number 17, very cool cover. Wolverine. Look at them all back there. It's like a circus sideshow. See what it says. Wolverine, killer man beast of the Yukon. Then you have Storm. Then Nightcrawler as the Black Devil. Colossus, Man of Living Steel. Very cool. All right. Number 15. What am I looking at here? Look at this. First off, they're trying to drive a stake through Nightcrawler's chest. But look at their faces. Look at Colossus' chin there. Very fun cover. Nightmare Crystal. And issue number 13. Looks like a little cross between guest appearance of Guardians of the Galaxy right there, doesn't it? The original Guardians of the Galaxy. Not the new stuff. Nice. Hope you guys enjoyed it. As I said before, and I'll say it again, big fan of classic X-Men. Just, I enjoy that series. I'm trying to complete the run. I don't know how far I am from completing it. I am using the app. Let me see. CLZ, I believe, is the name of the app, which is helping me keep track of my books. I know I've just sold a bunch of them. At one time I was over 10,000. I believe over 10,000, something like that. So CLZ, yep, CLZ Comics. So, great app, keep track of everything. Keep track of all your series, every book you have, because before this app I was buying a lot of doubles. And even now, I still buy, like Namor #1, I'll buy that up all day. I've got a few of those. I've got a few of classic X-Men #1, just certain covers and issues I really like. So, let me see. But that's it. Listen, I thank you guys. Don't forget to hit that like button. Smash it, ring it, crack that Liberty Bell. So, I'll see you guys on the next one.